On the lighter news, to commemorate the 237th birth anniversary of Francisco Balagtas Baltazar and to celebrate the National Literature Month, the Komisyon sa Wikang Filipino spearheaded the customary flower offering ceremony in Orion, Bataan. Rick Kiambao of Philippine Information Agency Central Luzon has the details.
The Komisyon sa Wikang Filipino or KWF led the customary flower offering ceremony in Orion, Bataan to commemorate the 237th birth anniversary of Francisco Balagtas Baltazar, a revered Filipino poet known for his influential contributions to Philippine literature. This annual commemoration, held every April 2nd, is also part of the National Literature Month celebration. In his message, KWF Chairperson Arthur Casanova emphasized the importance of the lessons that can be learned from the works and life of Balagtas.
Ang buhay ni Balagtas ay nagsisilbing inspirasyon ng bawat mamamayang Pilipino sa paghawan ng malupit na landas tungo sa pagtatamo ng kaunlaran. Ang talino at galing niya sa panitik ang naging sandata niya upang mapagtagumpayan ang anumang balakid sa kanyang buhay.
Casanova also encouraged Filipinos to revisit Florante at Laura and appreciate the masterpieces left to us by the great Cisne ng Panginay, recognizing the enduring relevance of Balagtas' work in understanding our cultural and historical identity. With the theme Mga Aral ni Balagtas tungo sa pambansang pagkakaisa at kaunlaran, this year's celebration highlights Balagtas' timeless lessons as a catalyst for unity and national progress. From the Philippine Information Agency Central Luzon, Rick Kiambao for Balitang Pambansa.